Tomer Ohavi, I'm the marketing director for the EFI roll-to-roll product line. EFI is being a leading printer and software manufacturer in the industry for over 30 years. We want to lead the trend of being more and more sustainable in the market. So our way of thinking was always going sustainable, starting with the LED technology, our media saving tools. We really want to think about the environment side, how we can really reduce PVC out of our materials. Our customers are more and more open and actually looking for sustainable solution, either from moving to solar, to LED, and of course for the material side. I definitely see the market going this way. The sustainable is part of our way of life. So also from the manufacturing printer side, inks, so definitely the material. So it might take a while, but people will understand that we have to save the planet. The Kavalan material runs smoothly and fantastic on the Q3R. The colors pops out, the media handling goes smooth. We're running mesh, backlit, frontlit, all type of different materials without any hassle. Definitely recommended. Our customers love it. Our printers love it. Color looks fantastic. The combination of Kavalan media and the EFI roll-to-roll options is definitely a winner. The Q3R, each material has its own setting, starting from the roll tension, the carriage height. But the nice thing about it is that you can save all of this in the setting. You don't have to repeat, it's already saved. So a new customer can reach out and have already presetting media saved within the printed parameters. There's so many good things to say about Kavalan, but I would suggest you try it.